going on, man? This your boy Saint. So we finally finna go ahead and pick up my 88 box Chevy. I probably had this car, man, probably about 10 years, you know what I'm saying? And I ain't really be doing too much with it, you know, especially not in the early years. When I was a lot younger, you know, I wasn't making the most back then when I was fresh out of high school, but, you know, here I am now making a little bit more. But, yeah, man, so the car used to be my great-grandma's car, and she ended up giving it to my great-uncle. And my great-uncle used to drive it, you know, here and there, back and forth to work. And I think one day it stopped cranking on him or something like that. You know, so I think it was something simple like a ignition control module. But he pretty much had it towed from the job to my granddad's land, where pretty much it's sat since about, you know, 2013 or so, whatever. And then over the years, me going over there, stop, I see my granddad. You know, I kind of would look at the car, whatever. You know, I kind of saw a little something with it, a little potential with it. So, you know, I go over there, you know, open the door, look at the inside, check the interior out, pop the hood, you know, see how it look in there. And I just felt like, you know, I'm like, you know, this car just sitting out here like nobody want it, you know what I'm saying? So my granddad caught on to it and saw that, you know, I had a lot of interest in it. So he pretty much was like, one day, he was like, if you really want this car and you really want to fix it up, you can have it. Like, that's it. Hit the keys, hit the title, going back to business. You know what I'm saying? Do what you do. So here I am. But yeah, so to definitely go ahead and finally pick them up, bring them on to the house. I can go ahead and put my little touch on them, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so we done got the box at the house finally. Just clean it up a little bit. Still dirty on the outside a little bit, but clean the inside. There we go. Inside pretty clean. Just gotta hit them flows, probably shampoo them flows or something. Back seat, look a lot better. Gotta hit that door panel a little bit on the flows in the back. I'm not going back vinyl top, so I'm gonna fill these holes in. You know what I'm saying? Just make it a hard top. I gotta grind these little trim pieces that hold the vinyl down if you have a vinyl top. But this ain't too bad. I probably won't mess with that too much. Of course, I'm gonna just scuff that down, make that look a lot better. It's not bad rust, it's not through yet, so it's just surface rust. Along with that right there, just surface rust. That look pretty decent. Pretty solid though. This side look pretty straight on down. Nothing wrong with it. I gotta hit this corner, like same thing with the back end. The Bondo, put some more Bondo, smooth it, make it a lot more even. And then I'll go from there. Same thing right here. Ain't bad though, it's in surface. The only part that's really eating up is the same corner that's on that side and this side. But I ain't worried about that. This ain't gonna be too much of a show car, but it's gonna look pretty good, I'll tell you that. So, yeah, man, just stay tuned, man. Shoot. Finally got them back, finally getting serious about it. They had this car for a long time and they ain't been doing nothing with it. I think I might keep this engine in here. It's a 350. I might keep it. Might go LS. I don't know. It just depends over time. We'll see. Dashboard gives you a little more work. It's not bad. It's got a lot of cracks in it, but I can fiberglass that and smooth it and remake it better. Got everything, all my pieces though. The trim that goes on the bottom, I'm gonna keep that. I got it all taken off on the bottom. It's all in the trunk. I'm waiting to put it back on when I get them painted and everything. Finally got them back. Been a long time, but I want y'all to see how it looked now. I want y'all to remember this. I want y'all to remember this. Look how it look. Everything, every corner and crease of it. Remember it. Got a vision. Got it in my head. Think I got the color, I think. It's kind of stuck between two colors, either silver on the bottom or blue on the bottom. Because the top, the primer, well, the way the primer looks right now, that's gonna be all black. So from that point on up, the whole top, it's gonna be all black. All this black. All the way to back here. That's what we got though. Got something to work with right here. Got something to work with. Ain't bad. Just gotta put that touch on just a little bit. So y'all stay tuned. All right.